Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome to Sniper Squad Day Trading. My name is Hassan. They call me H. We are live. What's going on, everybody? What up, Pond? Appreciate that, bro. Most definitely gotta trust the process and stand on business and just be patient for my setup to come to me. 3Pony, always appreciate seeing you here. How was the weekend? Hit the like button for me, guys, on your way in. I had a pretty nice weekend. Pretty chill. Got some rest. Got some stuff done around the house. Got to look over some charts and yeah, man, it's all about the levels, bro. It's all about the levels. That has become increasingly clear. It's all about the levels. And another thing that is clear is that my scanner is empty. I've also put that back on my screen. I was really disappointed to not have that reference going back to look. Like, it'd just be so beneficial to be able to go back and look at a day and see what was on the scanner and what I chose to trade. And Charts Watcher has a backtesting feature where you can backtest your scan, but not only is it only available with the most expensive tier of their subscription, but it only goes back like 2 weeks, so it's not really that helpful for me anyway. So I'm going to keep it on my screen here, and that way I'll have that reference when I go back and want to see what gapped up on that day and what I chose to trade. My focus has been, I want to trade the highest volume gainer. Not the first thing to pull back, but the best thing that's trading that day. A lot of times, if like the second or third or fourth or fifth thing, if it pulls back first, I'll divert my attention to that, take a couple losses. Meanwhile, the highest volume gainer throws the best setup and runs the farthest of the day. But I'm already max loss, or I'm hesitant because I've already taken a couple losses. So I'd rather take all my swings on the best thing moving and try to be patient with that. But like, if the number two has the best catalyst and the better daily setup, then I don't mind doing that. Yo, Bobby, killing it this morning. That's what's up, man. Yo, 115. You done for the day? You gotta close up shop after that, bro. You gotta ride into the sunset with the cash. That's super cool, man. Awesome. But also, shout out to my guy Trey, man. It's cool to have other people invested in your process, man, who can give you input and help you out. But I noticed since after like my mid-month crash out and I started trading off my levels and kind of calming down a bit and waiting, when I went back to April 16th, which was like about the day that happened, to May 1st, I'm up 15R. So decided to go ahead and step up to the next risk level at $10. And to make that less scary, I also realized going through my journal that there were virtually no days where I went down 2 losses and then the third one was a win and I made it back. Like, usually the third one is a loss too. So I decided to tighten my max loss to 2R, to 2 trades. So I increased my risk per trade, but also decreased my max loss on the day. But yeah, since April 16th, my profit loss ratio has been 3.48 to 1. And my win percentage is 36%, which is 10% higher than it's been for like a long time. So that's exciting. See what the SPY does today. Scanner bone dry, so I don't know. Might have a no trade day, which means I have to be Yo, what up, Rob? May the 4th be with me. Oh, yeah, it is May 4th. Appreciate it, Rob. do, do. But yeah, man, I'm just going to chill and be patient. Today might be a no trade day. I'm okay with that. Um, but yeah, then my tendency is to come out swinging after a no trade day. So I'm going to have to be extra cautious tomorrow if that happens. Started reading a book, well, listening to a book on Audible. Shout out Pond, by Dr. Brett Steenbarger, daily trading coach. And oh, speaking of that, I forgot to revisit my DRC this morning. Kind of revisit my daily goal in there. Buy support, manage risk. It's pretty simple. Um, $10 now, man. Yeah, gotta be A+ quality trades for sure. Um, yeah, just gotta be easy on the trigger, man. My best days have been one trade a day, one trade, maybe two. But yeah, I mean, pretty much I've been content when I get my one good trade and I get my target. I don't really feel the need to do anything else aside from the fact that my winning trades have been taking like an hour to play out. So, um, yeah, I'm chilling. Yeah, bro, that's it. Just keep it simple, man. Keep it simple. Um, yo, Way Rider, what's up, bro? Uh, risk hasn't really been an issue. We'll go with that. Okay. Man, Bobby killed it this morning. That's super cool, bro. That's like biggest day you've had in a minute, huh? Huge win. Man, that's what's up, bro. You said CNSP? Oh, yeah, that Joker went, bro. Where'd you get in at? That Joker went. Man, had a nice couple little spots. He could have taken advantage of that joint. Trey posted his prep in the pre-market prep. He got CNSP. He got PN. That went wild in pre-market as well. Sheesh. 350 to almost 7. RYLB. No, RLYB. Nice. Dang, that's a crazy gap up. That's a nice little price range too. Nice little price range there. Mm-hmm. My kind of small cap. Mm-mm. Nice little hold on the SPY. Can we take out to 720? Y'all hear about GameStop buying eBay? I hadn't looked at GameStop in a long time, bro. I thought GameStop was like dead, honestly. People still holding those short squeeze positions? Or AMC. What's AMC doing? Golly, AMC is like struggling. I wonder if they're popping up because of GME. Yeah, you just got to baby step up there, Bobby. Take it slow, you know, little by little. But yeah, I can't wait to actually start making some money, man. Making some money. Get to like $100 risk, making 3 to 1 on $100 risk. Man, look, we done made it then. Go back to the dark side, Bob, Rob. No, I don't want to change anything. I don't know, got to my sweet spot. I'm feeling nice and comfortable. Maybe even a little confidence brewing. I'm chilling, man. I'm chilling. It's like just the ability to wait and be patient has been like the hardest thing to get to. But naked, bro. I don't need none of that stuff, bro. None of that stuff, man. I was getting lured into trades so often off of those indicators, man. And you know, if I truly believe in the levels and support and resistance, then I don't need anything else. I got volume and I got structure and levels. Simple, man. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. Coin is on a tear this morning. Nice little gap up after a narrow range red day. Just broke pre-market high. $200 though. Yeah, I'm telling you, Bobby, that's all that matters. The bottom line, not the platinum lounge. Yeah, well, I want to take my risks on the things I'm comfortable with. You know, I'll get uncomfortable in my comfort zone. The platinum lounge. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, it's mad quiet right now. What's going on with the Iran situation? I haven't really heard much about it at all. I'm not really too tapped into mainstream media. It's like watching the soap opera as the world turns. So I just don't really care, but um I do need to tap into kind of like financial news, financial world news, I guess. Danger's your middle name. Let's get dangerous. That's because you're a veteran, bro. I am rookie. May 4th is hilarious. Uh, Austin Powers. That dude's hilarious. I love gold. There's so many quotes from that movie. Come on, spy, go up. 11 on CNSP. Yeah, I can't imagine trading both ways too, Rob. Like that's a whole other animal. That's like super next level. Come on, 720. There you go. Yeah, bro, it's too many minds for me, Bobby. I already got enough to think about. I remember when I was trading just I was trading the Qs, and I would trade the Qs, and then I'd be like, oh man, it's a short, and I flip to the SQs, and it's just like getting chopped up on both sides. Too much, man. Is that a new high a day? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yep. I've been telling myself since I sat down this morning with my empty scanner that it's cool to do nothing. I mean, if my scanner don't give me anything, then there's nothing for me to do anyway. Because I'm done with the hunting game where I start looking around outside of my sandbox for something to play with. I'm over that. I've done that so many times. Been burnt enough times on that one. It's just like it's other things that you got to be conscious of, like when you playing in small caps, it's other variables that you got to pay attention to that I'm just not used to thinking about. So to move over there all of a sudden without a real plan, just setting myself up for failure. Hey guys, hit that like button for me, please, while we chilling, waiting to see what today may bring. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Oh yeah. Yeah, them hot levels are a beast. I had a little stint in the trading game where I was trading halts, and me and a buddy of mine, we were just monitoring the halt page, and every time something would pop up, we would start playing the halts. It's fun when you catch like three or four halts to the upside, and then you just lose it all in one halt down. You get destroyed, and then you can't even get out. Like you be trying to get out, and it halts again, and then it opens up. You try to get out, it halts again. You can't even get out. You just like stuck. I probably didn't know how to do my orders right back then to get out anyway. I wonder if this is a bear flag here, getting ready to break down. So we're about to find out. About to find out. 15-minute opening range closed already. Yeah, bro, that's heartbreaking, man. Destruction. Yeah, coin getting slapped with the market. Come on, Spy, you can do it. You can do it. There you go. There you go. Got 32. Coin looked like a nice play. Yeah, buddy. Yo, what up, Stanford? How's the morning been, sir? Yeah. Yeah, pre-market makes a lot of sense to me on the small caps. It seems really chill, really practical price movement, and then the open hits and it just like goes crazy. Whipsaw. Bit of a different beast. What up, Brian? How's the morning been, sir? See, you got MNDR. Yes, sir. Nice. Yeah, come on, Spy. Get something up here on my scanner. Hmm. Is earnings season? Isn't like earnings season supposed to be popping right now? Let me check the earnings calendar, see what's going on. Do, 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 do. Ooh, Palantir. Look like plenty of mid caps doing earnings this morning. Duolingo. Guess nothing exciting. Okay, Brian. Yeah. Spy is pushing. That's good. Hmm. Yeah, man, hard doing. Hmm. Yesterday's high is way up there. It's probably gonna be an inside day. Well, it'd be hard to be an inside day as small as yesterday was. Already underneath it. 720.47. Well, it wouldn't be that hard. Man, coin is going off. Ooh. Mm. Can't believe how dry it is, bro. Hmm. Yeah, I had a morning like this in a minute. Do some journal work while I'm sitting here doing nothing. Maybe tag some stuff. Haven't done that in a while. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Yeah, it is still early. I take a lot of good trades after 10 o'clock, so I'm gonna chill for a little bit. Just trying not to be too thirsty. I need to take coin off of this thing because it's looking super good over here. Stop looking at it. Can't really afford to play coin anyway. Man, this was actually a really good opportunity over here on RKLB that day. Just misjudged the entry by a long shot. Waiting for that second red candle to close has been really helpful. Or at least for it to make a new low. Feels like there's so much less to do on the journaling side. I don't know if that's I guess that is that a bad thing? I guess the reviewing is definitely good, but Spy's doing nice. It's got me a little hopeful something might pop up. Well, I was on bet more time this day. He played out real nice though. Over 5R on this puppy. This is a great entry. Not mad at the ad either, for real, for real. Uh-oh, got something on the scanner. Let's see what we got here. Oh, we're not, where's my, is the thing not rolling? Huh. I want to update the Mac. GFS. See what we got here. Is this look like the 52-week joint? Got something back here. $68.57. $69. few too many levels there. This is upgrade. I really don't care about them upgrades. Price target raised to 80. It's looking like resistance at that point. Maybe it pulls up and comes back. Morning, Knives. How that 50R runner looking? Thing popped right back off. Took half at 46. Nice. What was the ticker again? LWLG. This the one where you got in at like 12 something, huh? 12.29, I think it was. Up to 18 on them. That's what's up. 12.13, nice. Yeah, that's true. Let's see what you cooking. Ah. Okay. Yeah, these are the setups I like to trade intraday for sure. How are you trailing it? You said the 10? 10-minute chart? Is that what that means? Yeah, I know. That's the approach. You know, when I imagine myself swing trading, that's just I'm looking for the same thing on higher time frames, you know. Makes a lot of sense to me. Yo, what up, HH? Man. Indeed. Indeed. This looked like a nice little candle to play off of right here at this level. Bouncing off 68. Little presumptuous though. Show me something better than that. It's moving slow. With a 10-cent spread. This one right here. It's like a nice little uptrend, yo. Look like a sale, honestly. Look like a sale. Or would you see a cup and handle or something? What you seeing, HH? What you seeing that I'm not seeing? Oh, okay. Yeah, I think I went back there, HH. That's where I drew these lines off of. Yeah, that's where I drew these off of this high and this guy. It's kind of looking a bit crowded though. Serious right there. 69 for sure. And then this guy. Let's try that. Yeah, it makes a little more sense there. Run them stops right quick. Well, my scanner is a million before it even shows up, but it's moving really slow. It's not looking like anybody's really paying attention to this bad boy. Catalyst is pretty weak. I kind of like the dip back down though. Yo, what's up, Michael? I appreciate it, man. I thanks, man. Yeah, it's actually it's going really well right now. I was green April, and think I've gotten a little better at being patient and waiting for my thing. Yeah, all the best stuff that I've traded has crossed over 5 mil for sure. Okay, look at that drop down real quick. Can it get bought back up? No, I don't know. Yo, what up, Trey? Yeah, I feel that, HH. These molasses trades be stressful. I know, I noticed that. It is super high. I can feel it in my chest too. Maybe too much caffeine. Let's do some breathing exercises. Nice trade off. 67 would be cool too. I'm finna dive in. I'm thinking about it. No trades trade. The SPY is rolling, man. It just made another high, new high a day. But man, this thing is just looking slow. Yeah, I'm actually calm yourself. Yeah, I'm trying. Feeling a bit anxious. What would be the I was reading that in that book I started this weekend by Brett Steenbarger. It's talking about mindfulness and breathing exercises to take control of your mood and your emotions. Having the BGs, them bubble guts. Yeah, for sure. I'm kind of this is the opening low right here that it's kind of playing with right now. Mm-mm. Volume's actually increasing on the way down here. Yeah, it's super molasses. Yeah, I can definitely say I would be in regret if I traded this joint and it done fell back off the scanner, so you know it's trash. Let's leave it. A plus only, right? Yeah, nice read there, HH. It's definitely looking bearish. I want to be trading weakness and strength, not hoping for strength and weakness. Man, you guys are a pretty good pod. Appreciate you guys. Yeah, I was saying that earlier too, Knives. I mean, I was already ready to trade just because of the weekend, like wanting to come in. You spend the weekend looking at charts and planning and stuff. Yeah. Though catalyst is, I don't like increases though. I feel like that's like super manipulation when the people raise price targets. Like that ain't even a catalyst to me, bro. Like at least put some real manipulation news out there, at least do something in real life. Not pay some company, Global Foundries, or no, Cantor Fitzgerald upgrades Global Foundries to overweight, raises price target to 80. Yeah. Yeah, I think so too, Nice. Trash catalyst. I knew that. But when you want to take a trade, you start squinting and formulating theses. I've been wanting to know the plural for thesis for a long time. Is it just thesis? The plural of thesis is theses. Theses. Yeah. Yeah. Man, yeah, Bobby killed that joint. Yeah, it's going nowhere. Nowhere. I don't know. It might be time now. Still pretty low on the volume side though. Sellers are running things. They running things. Yeah. I definitely caught on to the overweight, the upgrade catalyst game. Yeah, I would predict a lower low on this joint. I don't know though. The 15, these two little low volume joints, nah. It's still sideways though. Nice little breakdown, maybe to 8, make it look interesting. But then you got all this overhead volume to deal with. Yeah, look at this week 2 green candles here. Weakness 795. Yeah, so I'm thinking. Right. Uh-oh, we got another one on the scanner here. Doing 3 mil volume, VRNS. Up 5.4%. Finviz ain't got nothing for it as far as catalyst. Um, long-term shareholders. Notice to long-term shareholders. investigate claims on their behalf. It's a trip where it seems like I've been seeing that a lot lately. When they get like a investigation opened or some kind of pending lawsuit, the price goes up. Pretty volumes, big volume spike there, 28. 2750. 750. Well, we're an hour in. Big volume coming through this level. Looks pretty extended at this point, though. Had to wait like for a 30-minute pullback to even consider this joint. Gap down from 62. Oh, wow. Yeah, she's been struggling. She's been struggling. Huh, 28, 26 twice over here. Sheesh. Yeah, I saw the gap. I see it. What happened? That's nasty, bro. Nah. I mean, it's on the scanner. It's not super random, but it already done ran, Like, I wouldn't even want to touch it until 2750 at the like least. And even then. Yeah, nah, I mean, not from here. For sure. Nope, not at all. Not at all. On that note, gonna have to shut it down, team. Let's put the SPY back up. Gonna have to shut it down, team. Shoot, could have traded the spy today. Let's go on and shut it down. Ain't nothing popping today. We been sitting here for an hour. Downward dog. Shut it on down. Well, we did our job. Came in, went through our morning routine, set the goal in the daily report card. Guess we can do that now, huh? Welcome to summer trading. Trade day. Boring but rewarding. Yeah. Definitely more rewarding than shooting 3 bullets because I got them and Max Lawson on today because there was nothing to trade. I think those days, I don't want to say they're completely over. I want them to be over, but not falling for that mess today anyway. Um, all right. Export. Oops. Upload that to the old DRC page. What up, OG? Missed a whole lot of nothing this morning. What are you doing? You busy over there getting all the money? Man, I appreciate it, HH. It's a trip because on these days I really see how far away from it I was in the past when I couldn't accept that there was nothing to trade and I had to trade, you know. That's funny, Bobby. The no trading lounge. I don't want to hang out with y'all that much though. Nah, but on days like today, for sure. Shoot, you got to the bag today though, Bobby. Shoot. I know, right? Unacceptable, Trey. Unacceptable. But yeah, I definitely there's definitely been some changes mentally, man. Just to be able to have a day like this. Um I can see my own growth. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Now the challenge is to come in tomorrow and not act a fool. That's the next grade, the next gauge. But I slept in a little bit this morning. I still got to my office at my designated time, but I skipped the gym for sleep. And you know, I just been having a lot of mornings where I'm sitting here and like nodding off and just like super tired. So I've been okay with some of these mornings to get a little extra sleep. And you know what? Since we're done trading so early, I can go to the gym right now. How about that? Got my report card done. The bag is safe. The bag has been protected. And yeah, so gonna have a blank day here Monday and see what we can do going into the week. No trade today, OG. It was nothing there, man. It's my scanner right here, bone dry. I mean, well, VRNS popped up, but it's not really doing much volume. Not a real catalyst. So yeah, I'm not fooling with that. It's already run too. Daily looks like crap. You know. So yeah, leaving it alone, man. Live to trade another day. What happened Friday? Did we not trade Friday? Oh no, Friday is May. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Well, all right, fellas. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Head over to the gym, and catch y'all on the flip side, man. Y'all be safe out here. Peace. Yeah, the open was killer, bro. Open was straight killer. Just waiting 10-15 minutes, bro, has been a game changer. All right, y'all. I'll let y'all in the Discord, man. Links in the description. Hit that like button for me. I'm out.